They say when you receive a new telescope, it will be cloudy and it will rain. Well, this time I've just received the 127 Svbony MK127 Telescope, and it was cloudy and the sun actually came out. It was cloudy for 3 days, and look, the sun just came out from the clouds. And this is a really great sign. If it not gets cloudy and the sun comes out, I think I do have a good feeling about the new Svbony MK127 Telescope. Stay tuned, we'll test it soon on my channel, we'll review it. Also, my cat looks happy. Look here. Yes, I just took it out from the box. It's actually lighter than I thought it will be. So this, I think, is a good sign, because you'll be able to use it also on more budget-friendly mounts, and also on a star adventurer. We'll wait it out soon to see actually how heavy it is, but holding it like this, I don't feel any tired. So don't miss the videos with this new MK127. Also very affordable price. Here was the package. We have also an adapter and some screws there. And look, also the cat looks happy. Meow. The cat is happy also. Look. Take this protection foil out, place the adapter. I think we have here the 1/4 inch adapter, but we'll get and place the 2-inch one. Here we have it, Svbony MK127. Also the cat loves it. Let's change the camera. And took out the cap. Here we have the front lens. And we have here a secondary mirror that we can also collimate. And we can actually take out this cap and collimate it if we need. So we'll test it soon. The accessories, we have here, I believe, an extension adapter and a reducer corrector that we will use to shorten the focal length and increase also the f ratio. Okay, so here we have the telescope. This is the new telescope, and there is the cat. I ain't touch it. Sit. Like that. Okay. Really nice. She likes the new telescope. She likes the new telescope. Oh, and it started to rain. So we'll stop the video and see you soon in the next part. Hai, mai mănâncă-ți babele. Mănâncă-ți babele, titi. Așa. Așa, bravo, titi. She likes the... Meow. Seems both rumors are. Seems also the raining rumor is still available. After the sun came up, I filmed the telescope. It started to rain a little bit, so it also rained and sun came up. But I still have a good feeling about the Svbony MK127. We'll test it soon, so stay tuned. You can see it rained for a couple of days and I have all my telescopes covered. Okay, so see you soon in the next video. Don't miss out, guys. this is a really great telescope for the price. So you should really check this video out. Okay, wish you a beautiful day, a sunny day if possible, and clear sky.